Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix your request is pending error on Instagram. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so the first step is to restart your iPhone or Android device and try again. If it still doesn't fix your problem, make sure your Instagram is up to date. So just go to your Apple App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram and make sure it's up to date. Mine isn't, so just click on update and it will update your Instagram application. If it still doesn't fix your problem, try force resetting your iPhone or an Android device. Unfortunately, I cannot show you guys how to do it in this video because it would cut off my screen recording. But yeah, you can try that. However, if all of these solutions don't work, you just have to go to google.com and search for Instagram support and contact them and tell them about their issue, and they will fix your problem within 24 to 48 hours. So yeah guys, if you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.